Shanice here, guys, and welcome back to another video here at The Pink Print. So excited that you're here again. You know that I love coming on here and talking to you guys about all things business funding and business credit. I'm here with myths of business credit. Yes, there are so many myths with all my clients. I've heard them ask me a crazy amount of questions about business credit, and I'm like, who said that? So let's jump right into the topic. The first myth I hear all the time is, I've had my business for about 3 years, so I'm pretty sure I have business credit. Wrong. No. Just because your business has been around for a long period of time does not mean that it's building business credit. For one, who knows if you are even using the right vendor accounts that are reporting to the credit bureaus? For two, you cannot assume in the business credit era that you're building business credit. You need to be checking your business credit in your Dun & Bradstreet, your Experian, and your Equifax accounts to make sure they're all reporting the same information. Not only that, they're reporting the right information, and you want to make sure that they are unanimous across the board with the information that they're reporting. So let's cancel that myth right here today. Just because your business has been around does not mean that you are building business credit. Building business credit is something that you do actively and consistently, and you have to stay on top of it. Okay. Number two, I hear this all the time. Yeah, I have like 60 vendor accounts, so I know that my business credit is really good. Wrong! I don't care how many vendor accounts that you have. Similar to myth number one, you need to be choosing vendor accounts that actually report to agencies. Net 30, Net 60, Net 90 companies that report to Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, or Equifax. If you're not choosing companies that actually report, you're literally wasting your time. You might as well be using cash and not getting any credit. I have a list of vendors in my Build Business Credit Like a Boss course where you can actually choose vendors who report within 30 days of you paying your bills on time or early, so you can build your business credit. And like I tell you in my course, you need at least 5 to be reporting and have a nice, healthy credit reporting file. You also want to make sure when using vendor accounts that you are at least spending $50 because or else they will not report. Okay? Your goal is to really get a large sum of money in the future. Make sure that you are spending money with these vendors, $300, $1,000, $1,500, so that it looks like you're able to manage large amounts of money earlier on. Okay. Don't forget I told you. Myth number 3. Okay, you guys, just because you're paying on time does not mean you're gonna have A1 credit. What you actually wanna be doing is paying early. Yes, so if you could pay 5 days before the term, 10 days before the term, 14 days before the term, that's gonna give you an even better credit score, okay? A lot of companies cannot pay early when they're getting large sums because they're waiting for their profit to roll back in so that they can pay back these vendor companies. But if you can pay back early, this will get you the best score, I'm telling you. This will make your score skyrocket up, okay? Don't forget to pay those accounts early, period. Myth number 4. Business and personal are the same. Who said that? First of all, business credit is completely separate from personal credit. It's 2 different scoring systems. Business credit scores you based on your ability to pay bills back. It also is looking at the company gonna go delinquent or bankrupt in 90 to 180 days. There's different scales out there. Dun & Bradstreet have their own scale. Experian and Equifax have their own scale. But they're all basically seeing, are they going to be able to pay such and such amount back within the term that is allowed it? Or are they going to go bankrupt or delinquent on the loan before the term is up? That's basically what your business credit is showing creditors. And personal credit is very regulated. Business credit is not regulated. Anybody can access your business credit score, any company, and they don't even have to disclose it. So it is open for the public. Your company is a public entity, and anyone can look and see what's going on with you at any time. Be careful that you're not doing too many hard inquiries because those do affect your business credit. Too many hard inquiries will drop your business credit score. So make sure you're asking before you're applying. Make sure you know what they're looking for before you apply. We want to make sure that if they're going to hard inquire, they're going to approve and they're going to fund. Okay? Okay. Number 5, I have heard so many times, you don't even need business credit because I got personal credit so I can get it. Okay, great. Go ahead, sis.
Cause you wrong.
The reason why that is not the way to look at business credit is, first off, when you use your personal credit for everything, you have a lot of debt or you have a lot of overload on your credit file. Let's say that in the future you want to go get a home. They may deny you for the fact that they think your credit overload is too much to take on a mortgage. If it's for your business, make your business handle it. Keep yourself out of it. That's why you want to build your business credit, because when someone looks at your business credit, you want them to know my company can handle A, B, and C without a sweat, right? So this is why we build business credit, so that our businesses can get approved on their own without needing their poor little owner's credit, okay? Because I want me as myself to be able to do what me as myself want to do, and my business do what it need to do. It also makes your business look really credible. When you have business credit, it opens you up to getting so much more money. You get more money in business credit than you can in personal credit, and you can get it quicker. After just a few months of positively building your business credit, you can go and get large amounts of money and get approved. You can't do that with no personal credit. As much as I think you need both, make sure that your business is standing on its own, because it is its own separate entity. An LLC, an S Corp, or C Corp, let it do what it do on its own. Okay? So what I want you guys to take away from this video here, build your business credit. Stop using yourself as a personal guarantee on every single thing that you apply for in your business. Let your business have its own credit and build it. And how do we build it? We pay back on time or we pay back early. And not only that, we actually have vendor accounts that report to agencies. Yep, okay, you getting it, you getting it, you getting it. Another thing I want you to take away from this, understand the application process for each company. Do they want references? Do they want tax paperwork? Do they want your year-to-date? Do they want your income files? Know what you're gonna need before you just go and apply, so that you're not getting a bunch of inquiries on your credit report. You're gonna apply, know that you're gonna get approved, period. And if you feel like you're not gonna get approved based on the applications, based on what each company needs, go check out my last video about secured credit, how to build business credit fast, and it'll teach you how to get a secured credit card, which is pretty much 90% approval rates. The main tip I want you to take away from this video is successful companies are leveraging their business credit to get more money to scale their business, period. So with a good business credit score, you're gonna get lower interest rates and you're gonna get more funding. So make sure you're really building your business credit. If you don't know how, or you need help, follow me on Instagram at StormyBanks_. I give out free tips all day, every day. We talk business credit on my Instagram lives. And I partner with other people in the industry to talk about how they built their business credit and how they're doing in their entrepreneurship journey. Also, I do have on my website the Build Business Credit Like a Boss course. This walks you through day one all the way up until getting funding on how to build your business credit. I've done it for myself and I've done it for a ton of clients. So I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm talking about, and I want to make sure that you guys are building your business credit. So go ahead, grab the course now, follow me on Instagram, like, share, and subscribe this video. Comment below and let us know what you have to say. All right, guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.